outside semasio. My neighbor's weed whacking and it's going to be going on for a while. So I put on my headphones. That usually cuts out the side noise bit. But here's the thing. It's like I feel like we've gotten nowhere. And we're dancing around and stuff. And you seem like you want to have a contest of words, which I would like to have too. Fine, we could do that. I ask you, well, what's on the table? You see, it's not clear to me what you think we're discussing. And you can't have it both ways. You can't have like, I'm telling you what the rules of informal logic are. There are no rules in informal logic. It's informal. Formal means you got a lot of rules. That's basically all it means, is you invent rules to turn something more technical where you can track what's going on. Now I asked you what was on the table, and you said, well, I said what's on the table. Right back at you. What do you mean? That's an allusion to parliamentary procedure, right? Are you familiar with parliamentary procedure? When something is on the table, it's the thing being discussed. Provides a formal argumentation methodology where there is automatically a minimum of focus. There's at least official focus. So you don't just say, I already did. If you already did, and I'm saying you get to say what's on the table, because there's no reason that you get to put the subject on the table. I'm the one that did the first video. I could just say, well, what's on the table is the subject of that video. But you said, no, I went on a tangent. We ran over here. Now we're talking about this. What is it? Just, you have to say. If you don't say, and you go, well, right back at you. If you want to talk to me, put something on the table. I don't. I have no idea what your opinions are. If you made videos and I said, what? This is odd, I would put that question on the table. I have no such questions about you. Sorry. I don't even know what your point is or what you're trying to say about feminism. And no, I don't really care that much. I mean, a lot of people have your side of the sort of your anti-feminist in some way or other that's hard to describe. I'm not in a shortage for that. No. I am willing to, just out of curiosity mostly, to see if you can understand this. You put an issue on the table. Don't start talking to me about what issues are or tables. It's very straightforward. You put a proposition up there. You say, well, I'm arguing that feminism is provably bad. You can prove that it is bad for the world or a nation, or I assume it won't be something that simple. That's just an example. It could be, well, I don't really want to talk about feminism. I want to talk about argumentation. Okay, then put something on the table about logic, about whatever. Put anything on the table. And then I might go, yeah, I agree with that. And there is no argument. So presumably you're going to try to guess something I'll disagree with. Or it could be you're arguing that I said something that is provably false. Then go find that thing and get the clip. But I warn you that the first thing will happen if you did that is that I would clarify the position, including if I have changed my mind since then, or if I misspoke or anything. That will be a part of it. And if you try to say, no, but you said it and that was wrong, I'll simply go, yeah, that interpretation of that sentence was wrong. What I believe now is going to be more important. But if you finally can understand something you disagree with me about, and you want to argue about it, then it's all a go, right? So, no, I don't have anything I want to put on the table in a discussion between me and you. I'm just willing that if you seem to say there's convincing going on, then I just thought, well, okay, name one thing that we could discuss, put on the table for argument and rebuttal and so on.